of innovation, perfect fusion of technology and design. Intelligent production lines, manufacturing of well-made products. Powerful enough to cope with a wide range of weather conditions. Electric drive technology, key technology recognized by the industry. Autonomous driving. The technology is mature and reliable. Fully enjoy driving pleasure with intelligent large screen. Standard configuration with car networking to keep track of your vehicle's real-time status. One button calling, instant response from after-sales network. Qingling is rooted in China, serves the world, and provides you with high-level new energy commercial vehicles. High-end and pure electric commercial vehicles. Qingling creates the future. Qingling's new generation electric light truck. Debut in glory.